Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how will you use a Countif function in Google Spreadsheet. So what Countif function will do is it gonna look through all of the data set and tell us how many times does the specific item that we choose will show up. So as an example, I will use this data to show you how you use a Countif function. So I want to know how many times does this item show up. So I'm gonna search for 60% mark among all of the students. So what I'm gonna type is count equal then count if. So I'm gonna choose a range, so this is our range, then put a comma there, and the criterion is 60. So I'm gonna close the bracket, then click enter. As you can see, there is two times 60% items show up in this data. So we're gonna count 61 and 2. Okay, now I will want to check how many 80% my student got. So I'm gonna click equal count if, then I'm gonna specify the range, so this is our range, then comma, our criterion is 80. So close the bracket, then click enter. So as you can see, the 80% box in there is 4 students of my student got 80% mark. So if you count 1, 2, 3 and 4, and yeah, that's it, how you use a Countif function. So that's all from me. Thank you.